Welcome to Tech Career Development. Today we are going to learn how we can print the page of the web application, title page of the web application, and how we can find the URL of the application, and finally how we can see the page source. Okay, what I do mean by page source, if you look at this, it was our previous code. Okay, if we execute it, okay, invoking the browser, navigating to the web application, and print the orange HRM title. Okay, let me comment it so that we can check the web application page. Okay, invoking the browser, navigating to the web application, maximize the window, and it did not close. Okay, if we right button click and click on inspect, we can find actually in the head section the title of the page. You see, title is here. This is the title. Okay, we print it. The same way we can also print this URL, as well as we can also view the page source. Okay, these are the page source. How we find it? We just right button click and click on view page source. Okay, well and good. So how we can do it? I can say driver dot get current URL. Okay, and it will print the current URL. We can do it several ways. One is we can just put this cut and just paste here. Okay, and it will usually print the URL. Okay, I can say run as Java application, and the URL will be printed. If you go there and you see https:// this is the URL. Okay, now you can also make it a little bit beautiful, like you can say string current URL and just copy and paste here. Okay, and you can just say print the current URL. Okay, and you can say the current URL is this. Okay, wonderful. A better way you can work on, and here it is, invoking the browser, passing the parameter. Okay, and you can actually now close it. You can say driver dot close. Okay, and driver dot quits, and it will close the browser and quits the session too. Okay, well, let's execute it. Invoking the browser, navigating to the application, and it printed actually the title and current URL. And we also want to check the page source. Driver dot get string, get class, get current, get title, and get page source. Okay, and again, you can do it several ways. I want to do it this time very simple way. Okay, and it will print the page source, no doubt. Now see, we don't have page source, but now we will have it. Okay, now if you go a little up, you can find lot of coding. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on. These are the page source. Okay, so it's really interesting. Okay, so step by step you will learn a lot. Stay tuned, and if you are following this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get at least a notification. Okay, remember, web automation engineer or QA automation engineer or software test engineer, they make huge every year. Per year they make 100K to 250K, not matter of jokes, and anyone can learn it within 2-3 months, and land job within 3 to 4 months. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session.